You know this tree is Ogbono tree.
Which one?
No, that one.
This one.
It's too big to be
No,
tree.
No,
I tell you.
No, Kokwa.
What in be?
No, it's in your Kokwa.
Tell me now. You know Ogbono?
The tree no there here. I know Ogbono.
Now be this.
You know say that's
me where we get forest.
That's Ogbono. That's Ogbono. You get something the body with the lick am. You know that one before you see the sea.
Yes.
No be.
Now two times.
No be this one.
Sweet.
I know. No, listen I mean.
When it comes to the rainy season, if now this one and the sweet one, the bitter one where they draw.
First, they come here do some tradition, eat some cola.
The sweetest palm wine you find
they pray to our chief
in this zone.
before they start selling. Yeah, there are some things you don't need to touch. This is their square. Okay. Where they gather, do some meeting, Yeah, there's another place down there. You can take some, These are great stones. These are great stones.
Eke Igbere, I got to Iba. Yeah, Iba is stuff.
Where hunters meet.
That's what she said. That's a delicacy.
You had all this.
Cut the skin off.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ask us your questions again. What did you want to know?
I wanted to know whether people here actually eat pork.
Yeah, they eat it. That's bushmeat.
Yeah. So
It's very costly here.
oh,
How's it prepared? They cut the
They roast it on fire. They roast it. All those things you don't see raw. Not all the inside. That's real bushmeat. And it's costly.
But at this time it's very bitter.
okay.
The bitter tea, even the nails, very bitter because of there's a type of roots. They normally enjoy eating green rice during this period. When it gets to their body, the whole part of it, you can't, if you are not used to this eating bitter something, you can't eat it. The whole body, every part of it is bitter. If you put it in the mouth, you throw it in. Yes.
What would you really like to know? Ask some questions of unique things you want to know about this ancestral land.
The fire that was here, what was that here for? Because I can see the smoke coming out.
They use that to roast.
When they put the fire, when they are cold, that's when they put the fire. Because going inside the bush to get those palm wine, they'll be cold. So when they come here, they just have to put the fire and have some rest before start mixing their palm wine. Because these drums there, this is where they put the raw palm wine. They now mix it with water. You understand? Before eating kola nut.
Look at eagles.
And start selling it.
Look at eagles.
Axe.
Flying eagles.
This is it's called Nzo.
What's this for?
This is sign of welcome. The Nzo, the white stuff.
Oh yeah, we're
It's a sign
familiar
of
with that.
welcome. When you come,
Put on
you just
wrist.
Yeah. Or women
Otherwise-
put it here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can also put it here.
Well, I was told women put it on their neck. So.
And pregnant women also eat Nzo.
Nzo, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, they do.
Why?
The calcium.
Okwanka.
Ukwanka. No, they also eat Nzo. They eat Nzo. Ukwanka can aracha, but they also eat Nzo.
It helps them to deliver safely. And those days, there's nothing like hospital, all those stuff. These are natural stuff they eat. It helps them to deliver safely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it like a not like anesthesia, but like it like numbs like pain?
Yeah.
Okay.
You follow here, for people going Amaukwu. This is another road going to stream. This is road going to farmlands. Follow here. And when you follow here, you also see that.
This road will lead you to Mu. It will take you to Mu. But it's far from here.
Okay.
But when you go here,
It takes you like 4 hours or 3 hours.
On foot.
we used to walk this path, and there is a place they call Nkomemo. Way far.
When you are going to Muhu, the Koma Ema is where you have to rest. You understand? There are a lot of stones there. When you just come up, you just have some rest before start your going to Muhu. That's another community. It's very far from here. Very far. You come and start all the kind of no going.
How do you make it?
You came back. Okay, sorry. How do you say? So, come on, maybe I will the pastor make
Pastor, be in here.
That time I come. Yeah, should be the here the voice. Pastor never I'm hoping. These are man. This is where Igbere started.
Okay.
And they want to use Christianity to stop all this stuff.
If I'm here, and the pastor is talking nonsense,
In what way, I guess, is Christianity contradictory to?
They want to abandon, destroy all these stuffs. And this is where our people, started. Using the internet, you can read about it. Eke Igbere. We have our website where you can read about it.
call this a preserved land. You can't come in here, and if you come in here, you have to pay through your nose to come in here. But the white man's pioneers or religious forebears, they come here, they tell you that this is no good.
Yeah.
They will tell you that evil resides here. Get the hell out of here, please, don't come near here. This is the place that, in this place, you're not supposed to use your knife and go and start cutting anything. You're not.
If something is pursuing you, once you enter here, you are safe.
You're safe.
Like if someone is pursuing you, just come here, you are safe.
This is Eke Igbere, where we started.
This is where we started.
You should not chase any Igbere man into this place, no matter who you are. Go back. That's just it. Leave him alone. And we pride ourselves in this place. I can sit down here and stay till end of night and then I go. The last time I came to Eke Igbere, only God knows. I passed, I took some pictures. If you saw some magnificent pictures I took, I passed through, but I didn't make time because I was being driven past. I didn't make time to come in. and feel at home. And God knows that that's why we stand strong as Ibere people.
Yeah.
School B is a settlement where the farmers, when they go, they settle there and farm for a couple of days before they come home because it's far. And that's just the tradition. If you go this way, you go to Mu. If you go that way, you go to Abriba.
Oh,
Yeah. This way.
yeah.
The Mbuba, you can take this side and you bust out at Ozaraman
Yeah.
You can take that side, you also bust out at Ozaraman and they all join up and then they go straight to Abriba. Abriba is 4 miles,
It's not far.
but it's 4 miles. Our border with them is 4 miles.
Because too much traffic has a way because when you think about it, tourism is such a great way to like create jobs.
This is a beauty.
Yeah, bring revenue and all that. Because I had a friend, she went to Thailand on vacation, and she said when they were touring like the rural areas, it looked just like her village in Imo State. She said, this is the same. Like we could definitely duplicate this.
But they don't know what they have.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
the
yeah.
They
problem.
don't know what.
I mean, we even saw it in our effort trying to get here. It's the process of getting into Nigeria it's almost as if they're discouraging you.
Yeah, that's the problem. The frustration that we go through from the airport to traveling.
Not
through-
even the like visa offices.
Oh yeah,
Visa.
the visa office. Yeah, like every step of getting here was frustrating, but then when you get here, it's so peaceful.
Look at that tree. Look at that tree. Look at the trunk, you see.
Picture or video.
Yeah, I'm catching that. When the war ended, I was actually at Item because I went to Afi Attack, the attack market. So I was coming back. When you know hello, hello. It's you been going like one. Amata. Chai. Hello, hello.
All the farmlands, they have their names.
Come listen. I will find out. That's a special trick. You see what I was talking about? See this tree? This particular spot, this particular piece of land here, I'm 67 years old. as we speak today. Until 2 years ago, I did not know that my dad, who died in 1959, I did not know that he had a piece of land that he left behind. It was 2 years ago that I was told that there was a piece of land our father left. Last year when I came to bury my brother, after the burial, some elders took me to this particular place. It wasn't cassava yet, it wasn't nothing, it was bush. And they said that this is the place. And I said, okay, how do we know the boundaries? They say if you go inside the bush there, there's a ridge. You find a ridge. And that ridge, if you follow it, that is what is going to tell you the demarcation of the land. So we all went into the bush. My elder sister, Erima, was here with us. The Elesia was here with us. We followed it and we got into the bush looking for the demarcation. And I told them, please come. Here is the OG, as we call it. And truly, that's what it is, because it's like, and it goes that way all around the land. So to me, that's something unique that I've come to know, that my father, who died in 1959, not until 2 years ago did I know he had a piece of land, and some elders took us and came and showed us the place, and today they have already cleared, so my brothers have farmed here. That's what you see in here. That's why if you listen to your dad when he's saying anything, listen in between the line of the stories, that, and whatever he tells you is what was passed down onto him.
Right.
And whatever you can identify a document, you can pass it to your children.
You know it.
I pictured it down there before.
This is the tree.
You can look upstairs. You can start it, you can look here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. But not right.
Not
Yeah.
right. Not right.
It's yellow.
A piece of land we are going to farm. They burn the bush. We use the branches. We cut it and we tie something to it and we use it to make slippers.
Okay.
Those you can walk on fire
Oh.
with it. Is this tree. Amaukwu, as we call it. You can walk through the fire with that. That's the significance of that tree. And when you see the flowers, the kokoro itself. See red over there, beautiful. When they are in full bloom, oh, you love it. You love it from afar.
What part of the year is that?
Abo over there. Ndị abụọ ndị nke bụ abụọ. Ezi ọnwa bụ ndị ezi. Ndị odogwu. Ndị ọtọgụ. Okay. Okay. Ndị azụ. Ndị akwanụ ndị nke fụnụ Mgbele Ibina. Ibe ọnwụrụ bypass. Isi Mgbele.
ka a na-aga ewuda Mgbele.
Ọkadụkwa ha?
Isi Mgbele. Wo ọkadụ hụ kemgbe.
So a ka nwere ike gaa Isi Mgbele gbada?
Woda,
Ọka ọ dị ya n'ọka? Ọ dị mma.
Ọkadụkwa.
M ji achọ ka m...
Ọkadụ hụ ele ọrụ.
M ji achọ ka m mata ya ọkpa.
Okay. Unu ruo Lobo.
Yes.
Unu ruo Lobo. Ebe ahụ amaghị na ụka n'oge. Na-aga...
Aka nri.
Aka nri. Unu ga-agba aka nri. Na-ewoda ngwọ.
Okay. Okay. Ọ dị mma. Na-anakwa na akpa gịnị?
Afọ m bụ Okorie Kali Igwe.
Okorie Kali Igwe.
Onye ndị azụ.
Ịbụ onye ndị azụ. Mụnwa m bụkwanụ nkwere ihe eke. Mbụ onye Agba Nkalụ ma ọ bụ si Agba Nkalụ. Nne m bụ mgbọ ọbịa. Mgbọ akpara dịghị achị. Ọbịa nne m. Dewo. Mama ihe eke. Ọbịa. Okay, madam. Dewo. Dewo. I cannot imagine that this is Mgbele Ibina, looking shabby like this.
You're welcome.
Obodo gwelugo, gwelugo, ngwane gwenu chi, ngwane gwenu chi ngwe.